Triangle. How many more triangles was there? Was there another one? This triangles question came out in 2025 PSLE Math question. Can you solve it? The figure is made up of three identical equilateral triangles. Find A, the length AB, and B, the perimeter of those shaded portions. Now, AB is part of your equilateral triangle. It's one of the sides. So if you're able to find any of the sides of equilateral triangle, you basically find AB. So let's try and figure this out. If you notice, right, friends, there is this overlap between the first and the second triangle, okay, and this overlap here covers from this point to this point, and you have 18 cm. So if you take 18, all right, plus that overlap, you get the entire length of that equilateral triangle. Now, if you notice something, this section is one side of an equilateral triangle. So is this. Same side, same length, same value. Now, when you take away a common overlap portion or a common overlap length, what are you left with? You're left with that pink part, right? That pink part will be exactly the same as this pink part. Why? Because imagine this. Let's say, for discussion's sake, this entire thing is 20 cm. Alright? And this overlap is just 2 cm. Right? So 20 minus 2 is 18. Okay? That same 20 cm will be the length of this other equilateral triangle. 2 cm will be there. 20 minus 2 is still 18 cm. So that pink section is exactly the same, which means from here to here will also be 18 cm. And you can actually find this red section here by doing, for part A, 41 centimeters minus 18 centimeters. That will give you 23 centimeters, which is from this side all the way to the end, 23 cm. And to find the length of one side of this equilateral triangle, we just need to take 23 plus that small 3 cm here. So 3 plus 23 will give you the side of one equilateral triangle. 23 cm plus 3 cm, that will be 26 centimeters. My friends, this is literally your answer for part A. AB is one of your sides of your equilateral triangle. Same thing for the base, same thing for this side if you ever need it. Now, part B, find the perimeter of your shaded portions. Understand this, we have 18 here, and we now know that this is 26 cm. We also know this side is 26, and guess what? This plus this is also 26. Let me explain why. This small section here can be pushed out over here. Okay, because this is an equilateral triangle, the overlaps are exactly the same. So you can push this part over here. So imagine this, if you have this side plus that push out side, there will also be 26. So instead of finding this part for your shaded perimeter, we will push this shaded outline into this section here, and we will get 26 cm over here. We'll have 26 cm, we have 18 cm right down there at the bottom. So 26 times 2 plus 18. Now, we try and tackle the right-hand side, okay? So over here is 26. Same problem happening here, okay? Look at this. We can push this side. Instead of finding this perimeter for the shaded part, we can push it out, okay? So this plus this will be 26 as well. And then you have another 26, you have 23 here. So that's 26 multiplied by 2 plus another 23. My friends, let's see what is the final answer for this actual PSLE triangles question. 26 times 2 plus 18 plus 26 times 2 plus 23 to give you a grand final answer of 145 cm for this actual PSLE 2025. Supposedly very hard question. Can you solve this?